Do you want to know how to reverse cavities and restore your tooth enamel to its natural state? In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you do just that. First, let's talk about what causes cavities. When we eat sugary or starchy foods, the bacteria in our mouths produce acid that can erode our tooth enamel over time, leading to cavities. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to reverse the effects of cavities and restore your tooth enamel. The first step is to brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, which helps to strengthen your tooth enamel and make it more resistant to acid attacks. Flossing daily is also important to remove any food particles that may be stuck between your teeth and contribute to cavities. Your body can also naturally remineralize your teeth, repairing the damage caused by acid attacks. Eating a healthy diet low in sugar and high in calcium and other minerals can help support this process. By practicing good oral hygiene and eating a healthy diet, you can reverse cavities and restore your tooth enamel to its natural state. But if you have severe cavities or tooth decay, it's important to see a dentist for treatment. Your dentist can fill cavities, perform root canals, and offer other treatments to help restore your oral health. So take care of your teeth and enjoy your favorite foods without worrying about cavities. For more dental hygiene tips, visit our website in the video description below. Visit the website for more dental hygiene tips. Thanks for watching.